Konnichiwa, hey guys, it's Abby and today's video is going to be a vlog. It's been a while since I've done a vlog. I've done quite a few lookbooks lately and a lot of skincare related videos, but today will be another typical vlog. I'm going to go ahead and get some stuff that I need for Japan because I'm leaving really soon. I'm leaving in the beginning of January, so I need to make sure I pack and I have everything I need. I still haven't packed. I literally have my suitcase on the floor. You guys can see a little bit of clothing on the back right there. Yeah, I have some clothes on my corner on the floor because I have so many things that I want to bring with me, but I need to make sure that I have everything that, like, necessities in general. Really, I just need things that like are basics, and so I'm gonna go ahead and get a few basic items that I need for Japan because I'm gonna go during like the winter time, so it's gonna be really cold. I'm gonna make sure that I have enough stuff, but I'm so excited. Like I said, today's gonna be sort of like a prepping for Japan. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and do some shopping. We're in Daiso right now, and they have so many Christmas stuff. These are so cute. They always have the cutest things at Daiso. At so many Sanrio themed items at Daiso, they always do, and it's always so exciting to see all the different things that they have. I honestly always want to buy everything they sell because all the stuff are really cute. Some of the stuff I don't even really need at all, but I just want to get them. I'm more of like a Cinnamoroll fan, so when I see anything Cinnamoroll, I typically try to go for that. They have so many cute stationery here. This is adorable. So as you guys can see, they sell a lot of really cute stationery, like stickers, pens, pencil pouches, lots of really cute stuff that you can definitely really use for school. When I go to Japan, I'm definitely going to go ahead and get some stuff at Daiso, like for my classes, because they have really cute stationery. They had a really cute scarf that I was really tempted to buy. They also have really cute stationery, as I said earlier, like cute notebooks, and then we ended up going to this other shop in the mall that had a bunch of really cute Japanese snacks, and we saw this really cute plushie that my twin sister was very tempted to buy. We then ended up heading over to H&M, and I was so excited when I saw the Blackpink collection that they had. Lately, I've been really interested in Korean fashion and K-pop fashion, and so when I saw this whole Blackpink collaboration, I was super excited. I was so tempted to buy something, but because I am moving to Japan pretty soon, I just don't have enough space in my suitcase. I want to bring so many things, but I just literally have no space. But a lot of the items that they sold for this whole collaboration were, of course, black and pink. A couple items were white, but a lot of stuff were really cute. Then we ended up heading over to hmart, and we ended up getting these cute little, I think it's like a hot dog bread thing, I don't know what you call it, but it's really good. I always try to go for it whenever I go to hmart because they're super tasty. My mom also loves these, so we got a few for our family, so here we're putting them in bags. I love going to hmart. They have so many really good Korean food. My mom and I, we always love getting like ramen or like Korean meat. It is so good, like that Korean seasoning, it's just really delicious. The breads are always super tasty. Also, of course, I always get this Korean Oreo cereal, and I saw that they also have a bunch of these really cute, like Japanese, I think it's called omiyage or souvenirs. I think that's what you call it in Japanese. And then we also got some ice cream. I got this sort of like taiyaki ice cream. I think it's a Japanese, no, never mind, it's Korean brand, but it's really good. It kind of reminds me of the Japanese taiyaki. And then I saw a bunch of the frozen aisle stuff that I thought were really good. And then we ended up heading home. Hey guys, so it's been a few days since I went shopping. I actually didn't end up getting anything that day because it was so packed. The mall was filled with so many people. I guess I kind of forgot that a lot of students are out of school now. Christmas is right around the corner. It's coming up really soon, and people are probably trying to buy stuff for their family members, you know, getting ready for Christmas. So it was so packed. So I really wasn't able to get anything. So the following day I ended up going shopping, and I got a few stuff at some stores, some basic things that I needed. I thought I needed more things than I did, so that was really good. So I think I have everything off my list now, but I wanted to show you guys a little haul. I also did get a package from SHEIN. I ordered a couple stuff because it's going to be really cold when I go to Japan. I'm going to be there in January, so it's going to be during the winter time, and I heard it gets super cold in Tokyo, so I wanted to make sure that I was properly prepared for the weather over there. I did buy a couple scarves. I think I got some gloves as well, so I wanted to give you guys like a little SHEIN haul. So I bought this scarf. Lately I've been obsessed with Korean fashion. I feel like during the winter time it really shines, and I saw a scarf that was trending so much. I saw Wondershare wearing it, so you guys can see it here. And like this sort of pattern is really popular. I'm not sure if there's a certain store or shop in Korea or what brand it necessarily is. If it's Korean, maybe it's not, I don't know, but I keep seeing like this pattern and this sort of material, and so I wanted to kind of like find something similar on Shein, so I ended up finding this scarf. It is so cute. I will link everything that I got in the description box below in case you guys are interested in getting in the items that I got from Shein. But anywho, so it looks like this. It's got this kind of material. It's kind of like a pastel blue and then a darker navy blue color and then white, and it's super cute. I'm not really sure what this pattern would be called, but it is so cute. So I can just kind of like wrap it around like this. I mean, it is very cozy. And then I also got a backpack. So I got this one. I wanted to bring this as a carry-on bag. In the reviews, they said that it was really big, but once I received it, you guys can see it's like not that big. Yeah, I mean, it's still really cute. I think I might use it like for school because I'm going to be going to a language school in Japan. So I'm going to need a backpack, so I might bring it with me. I'm not sure if I'll have enough space, but we'll see. I think it's really cute. And lately I've been really interested in this whole kind of preppy look, so I think it works really well for that. I also got another scarf. This one is a red one. It's a very like, kind of looks like a cherry red, but I think it's such a pretty color. And once again, I can kind of wrap it around like this. I get a lot of inspiration from Korean fashion, and I think I saw this Instagrammer and she is Korean. She wore like a red scarf. Maybe it wasn't Instagram, maybe it was like a Pinterest picture, I don't know. But anywho, I thought like the red like scarf was so cute. And I've also seen a couple of the Japanese Instagrammers and their style is so cute. Let them go to like Tokyo Disneyland or Tokyo Disney Sea and they take these super cute pictures, and I think I've seen this particular account. I think there's a lot of accounts that are very similar. For the Christmas time, they will go to like Tokyo Disney Sea, or they'll go out shopping, whatever, and they'll wear such cute outfits. And so I thought that a cute little like red scarf would work so well, because I think it's just perfect for like the weather. And I don't know, I'll show you guys my inspiration on the screen. You guys probably have no idea what I'm talking to you guys about, but hopefully these pictures and these images will like give you guys an idea. But I think it's so cute. Like I said, my style has really been changing lately. Like it is the winter time, and I wanted to make sure that I was like properly prepared for like, you know, the weather. I also got this super cute wallet that I got from Amazon. It looks like this. I still haven't opened it, but it looks like this, and it's so cute, guys. It is Sailor Moon inspired, and it is so adorable. Look how cute this is, guys. It has Luna. It's such a cute wallet. It is white and it says Sailor Moon. I don't know what else it says, but it is the cutest thing ever. And then I'm also gonna go ahead and bring my glasses. So I actually ended up ordering some glasses online because I am nearsighted. If you guys do not know, I do wear glasses a lot actually. Most of the time when I go out, at home I don't use them, or actually sometimes at home when I'm watching TV I do need them because I can't see far away, unfortunately. Like it's kind of blurry. So I got some glasses. I love getting glasses from the brand FIRMOO. I will link them in the description box below in case you guys are interested. I am not sponsored by them, but I love their account. They sell different types of glasses. So if you are nearsighted or you have any other eye problems, they will have different glasses, and they have different styles depending on what you're interested in. They have glasses for men, glasses for women. They have so many super cute styles. I'm personally really interested in this kind of like Korean style glasses, and so I got them in this sort of style. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab them. These are new glasses, but I put my prescription. I think you have to take a picture of your prescription or input the prescription on the website once you order them. And you can also buy like I think blue light filter or something like that, depending on like what lens you want and things like that. It looks like this. Super cute. Let me go ahead and put them on for you guys. Do I look fancy? But anywho, they look like this, and they're like super cute. So whenever I go out, I typically look like this. They kind of remind me though of old lady glasses. Now I'm starting to feel like these are old lady glasses. But anywho, they're very cute. I kind of was inspired by, like I said, these K-pop idol looks. Like their glasses are so cute, and I prefer these kind of like frame, these style of glasses. Anywho, now that we are here, I want to talk to you guys about like just how excited I am about going to Japan. I know the first video was sort of like, or the announcement video was kind of like rushed. I kind of just wanted to give you guys an announcement because, like I said, I've been kind of trying to keep that a secret from you guys for a while, because like I said, I wanted to make sure that I had everything set, including my visa and my flight and my, you know, my apartment, things like that. And now that I have that, like I said, I just kind of wanted to give you guys like the announcement kind of quickly because I did have other videos that I was going to post, and I was like, you know what, when am I going to post that video? So that's why I did that. But yeah, I'm gonna be in Japan for 6 months, so a total of like half a year essentially. I'm gonna go ahead and be studying at a language school, and I will be living in Tokyo. I'll definitely do like a room tour video when I actually like really settle in Japan, in my apartment. So I think that's all I have for you guys. I'll be leaving in the beginning of, kind of the beginning of January of next year, which is, like I said, in a couple weeks from now. So if I don't post for like a while after December, then that's probably why. I'll hold like Japan vlog video. I'm not sure when I'll be posting posting that, like when actually in Japan. I'm not sure because I think I'm gonna be really busy at least the first couple of weeks, just kind of like settling in, you know, attending my school, getting an idea of how that's like. Talk to you guys about like me wanting to go back to Japan in a lot of my videos. I think I kind of stopped talking about that for a while because like I didn't really think it was gonna happen, or I kind of just like gave up, not gave up, but like surrendered to the idea that it might not happen now or when I necessarily want it to happen. And then, you know, one day, and my mental health was doing really good, you know, I was a lot happier and things were just going really, really great. And I thought, you know what, why don't I go ahead and apply. Now this was back in like the middle of the year, like in June, July. And I thought, why don't I start applying for Japan? Why don't I apply for a language school? I think they said they were going to start allowing tourists in the country, something like that. And I think they already started allowing students in Japan. So everything was looking good. And I thought, you know what, why don't I give it a try? So I applied and I got accepted. They were very helpful with the school that I applied for. And everything just worked out really well, like too well. And I'm like, you know what, maybe this is like the world telling me that this is for me. And then I started worrying about a couple stuff along the way, like getting my apartment. You know, things are really expensive, and so they let me know where to get my apartment and how it could be affordable and things like that. And everything was just working out really, really well. I got my ticket, you know, everything just, like I said, worked out really, really well. And I knew that that was the universe telling me that it was finally time for me to go back to Japan, that everything was going to work out well. And I am so, so excited for the journey I will be kind of encountering and going through when I move to Japan next year. I'm gonna grow as a person, and I'm so excited to meet all these amazing people that will cross my path and to go ahead and meet old friends. So I'm just so, so excited, and I hope you guys are also excited as well. I know some of you guys also want to go to Japan, also want to live in Japan. Hopefully my videos will give you guys an idea. I do want to be raw with you guys about certain things, talk to you guys about like how my experience is, maybe living, you know, in Japan as a foreigner. I'm only going to be there for a very short period of time, but maybe I'll talk to you guys about how I'm dealing with homesickness and how you guys can deal with that as well. Whether you're living in Japan or you're living in Korea or you're living in Spain or whatever you're traveling to and you're studying abroad, maybe my videos will give you guys some help. But anywho, I will let you guys go, and the next time you see me or you see another part of the video, it will be another day. So I have this really cute little anime sticker set that I got from Daiso. So it's kind of like those dress-up games you might have played as a kid, except like these are real life anime like stickers. You can actually like give them little outfits, which I think is so cute. So I did this with my family, like my mom and my sisters, and they had a lot of fun. I think it's so cute. Like I said, like a real life dress-up game. All the outfits were super, super kawaii. But I just thought it was a lot of fun. I've been kind of wanting to spend extra more time with my family, like my sisters and my mom, and do more activities together because I am leaving really soon. By the time you guys see this video, I'm probably going to be already like almost leaving to Japan. I know I posted this video quite late. I didn't post anything last week, I don't believe, because I've just been so busy with the whole thing with Japan. But all this footage is from the couple weeks before. Now it's 2023, so if you are seeing this, you're probably kind of confused. Yeah, this is all footage that I gathered last year, I guess in December, that I just haven't had time to post because I've been so busy with preparing for Japan. So I'm really sorry about that. But anywho, these are some stuff that I did. Now in December, it's not only my twin sister and I's birthday, but it's also my younger sister's birthday. So my sister made her a cake. Everything that she made, she kind of was inspired by this kind of Korean aesthetic cake. And so she made this, and it looks so cute, guys. It is one of my most favorite cakes that my twin sister has made. She decorated this cake beautifully. It is super, super cute. And definitely that kind of Korean aesthetic cake. I don't think I've seen that. I think also like the Pinterest cakes have been like super popular lately. And my younger sister really wanted a cake kind of like that. So she made it kind of like kawaii and like really cute, and I just love it. I did post an Instagram reel. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, follow me at the official_Abby. I'll leave a link to my social media accounts in the description box below, including my Instagram. But anywho, you guys really seem to like that reel. I think it got a lot of likes, and you guys really liked the cake. I think it's so cute, and of course very aesthetically pleasing. One of my favorite cakes that my sister has made. Now this was her typical like Japanese strawberry shortcake cake, I guess, which is pretty much like a vanilla sponge cake with whipped cream and strawberries. It is really good, and my sister's like classic cake that she makes all the time, and everyone loves it because it's not that sweet. It's kind of like that Japanese strawberry shortcake. Now, for the Christmas time, this is kind of how I spent my Christmas. My sister decorated this cute little, or made this little box with cookies. So each cookie is made by her. She made every cookie specifically for her Secret Santa. So each individual cookie was carefully made by her. She made macarons, she made checkered cookies. They all looked really cute and they were all very, very tasty. Now, this is how I spent my Christmas. This was my Christmas Eve. My mom decorated the house. The party was at my family's house. And everyone came over, and my mom is really good at decorating for like any party. They always go to her. And so this is kind of how I spent my Christmas Eve. I kind of decorated a little bit. So this is kind of how things turned out. We really went with like a gold, white, and like red theme. And of course, a hint of green as well. I think it looked really, really cute. I think everyone had a lot of fun this day, and we got a lot of the stuff from Target. If you guys are from the US, you guys will know what Target is. But I think it was really, really cute. Everyone had a lot of fun, and Christmas is a big thing here in the US, and I think in the West in general. I asked my friend who is Japanese how she spent her Christmas, and it's just see the difference. And so it's just really interesting to see how I think like Christmas in Japan is more like a couple's holiday, but in the West it's very like family oriented. Of course, for other people it's very religious. So it was just a lot of fun this day. And I'm also put these really cute lights to decorate the house. It just was a lot of fun. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel to become part of the Kawaii family. We are almost at 3K subscribers, so you guys can go ahead and make that dream come true for me. Hopefully I can reach that by the end of this year. I know this year is ending relatively soon, so if you guys can subscribe, that would mean a lot to me. If we don't reach 3K by the end of this year, that's okay. Go ahead and follow me at @theofficial_Abby on Instagram to get some Kawaii fashion inspiration. Like I said, I'll be leaving for Japan really soon. So if you guys want to see some more footage, some more pictures of my life in Japan, then go ahead and follow me on my Instagram as well. I'll leave a link to all my social media accounts in the description box below in case you guys are interested in checking them out. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, mite kurete arigatou gozaimasu. Bye bye!